welcome to Roké TV. This is a day in the life and the homestead, a day in our life living off-grid. So first thing we do, we peel a pine. Everything is off the farm, so peel a small pine, and we have one of these.
What is that?
Guava. This is the breakfast, and we have two jelly. A small one, as I say, everything is off the farm, So we get them two jelly.
And show that one of the coconut tree.
Yeah, that's one of the coconut trees. Alright fam, so we finish cut up this plate, so that's a part of the breakfast.
Nice.
Guava and pine. Now I'm going to chop the jelly.
Alright.
And I know if you chop it good, so ready for me.
Well, watch on.
This is how much chop jelly, guys. Don't laugh after me, Afraid of the knife. Afraid of the mash it.
You don't look like you're afraid though, guys.
One time, mash it, cut my finger, cut my big finger, and now chop coconut.
Guys, comment below your jelly chopping technique.
Yeah, but I want to learn how to do it. See me, I'll almost get chopped.
Why?
Yeah. Alright.
So you get one pro tip there, guys.
Yeah,
Put your hand underneath and nap on top.
Alright. So this is one. Alright. So this is one. Alright fam, so I'm gonna show you my fruit bowl. We're about to eat it now, so yeah. And here they have our small jelly and sip. It might be jelly.
What about being jelly, guys? What kind of is that? Keep it cute.
Yeah, and just guava first.
Guys, it's the first time I try guava. Drink artificial guava juice, but not the guava fruit. Alright, guys. Oh, what is it? See them? And top?
You want me to check out that then? Alright guys, so we're going to the river. But first we have a shop and then we go to the river.
Yup, so we're about to take you on a tour to the shop. Pick up little things. Don't Chef Ro. I got a shop for pick up little things for cook on the riverside. Guys, yeah, we already have the weed. All the vibes. Chef Ro are bad people, you seen with him mash it. Chop up any bush people and dangerous. See people here, see glimpse here, may I show you some sneak peek. See trail here. Yeah. Literally in a rainforest. For free. Good life, Can't take them things for granted. Look for the view, people. Yeah. Whoa. No one drop down there, sir. You see that? See it way over there, so there. Alright guys, so this is the shop. Chef Ro order already.
Yeah.
See shop here, guys. Yeah.
Alright. 1450. Alright.
Alright guys, so we're almost at the river. I don't know if you guys can hear the water, but we're almost there. Before I bust my ass, I'm gonna turn around the camera so you guys can see us approaching the river. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is crocodile fern right here. Guys, look. I think this is free crocodile fern right here. Alright guys, so we reached down at the bottom now. We're here finally. It was a little walk, but we made it. So right now, Ro is about to cut some wood so we can get started with the cooking. Real wood fire cooking, you know? Okay guys, so I literally had to light a mosquito coil out here before we start cooking because mosquitoes are no joke and I'm their favorite snack, so throw talks on their ass. I forgot my stand, but no worries, I'm gonna set it up on a rock, rows across the river. Still looking for some wood so we can get started. See my little thing here. Yeah, I'm gonna go set it now because it's me a scratch. It might kill me out here, guys. Alright. So, see you guys. So, here's a few stuff. So, what we're gonna cook today, I'm just gonna cook a little something. We have a magnum there, so we get the lids. We have a Maggie's, with oil, with plum. Just some egg there in a white bag. We light the Protax down today and we bowl. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I found me a little seed. Good belly man. I'm bloating, but it's that time of the month, ladies. My edges, one lock. It's hot here for go out here. Hot. I'm gonna take this off right now since we find a little shade. And let my locks thrive. There she is. Y'all sick of me. Alright, so I'm gonna get started and cut up the plant now. Alright. One down. Magnum break. This video is not sponsored by Magnum, but Magnum, if you'd like to sponsor me. If you'd like to sponsor Roké TV, holla at me. First time drinking a Magnum. Hey, Granny. it's strong, you know? It's strong, people. Where's the apps? Outside. I finished cutting up the planting, yeah, man. I'm finished cutting up the planting and then I'm gonna come back on camera to show you when we are cooking the stuff. So stay tuned, people, and see my best friend and get the fire started. Becoming a real wood fire pro. Wood fire is not easy to light. Don't care who told you what. Works without gasoline. Well, brother, if you have gas, you're not business, you know. But if you don't have gas and you just try to light it natural, it's kind of hard, it's kind of tricky. Oh, Bestie got it going. So food time soon come. Drop them one by one. Drop them two by two. How people they plant them.
Boy, drop them. I don't even have no spark down here.
Alright, it. The people they plant them are going. Farmer road, we forget to bring fork to it. The plant them going in here. Sizzling. The egg are fry. Now watch how the egg look because white people, I don't know. The egg, some of the egg them they drop and crack out, see there. See. So we just throwing some Maggi seasoning. What you know about that?
Yeah. Extra salt in there.
Yeah.
And we create that seasoning. A little black pepper, a little salt, and a little all-purpose.
Yeah. Yeah. People also pro tip. Behind it, add a little piece of garlic to your egg. You must name off your finger then. Alright, but I truly don't have no garlic right now. But garlic in your egg them mad. Can't say you never learn nothing from we. Alright guys, so we got egg and plantain done, you know?
Yeah. Well, I already start to eat still. I just look at egg and plantain by the riverside and yeah.
There's nothing cool. Look at brunch. Where I do laundry while we're doing here. Next time we do a full detail.
Drink some Maggi.
Yeah, it's a real brunch. We got the liquor and the food. But one thing we miss about fine. But I think we can do it now too, the bottomless brunch. So long time ago I got a bottomless brunch, but we are creating our own bottomless brunch at Riverside. Gang, Magnum. All our vibes, man, people. I have a green plant I eat, but I have the ripe.
I'm going to watch Natty today.
Yeah.
Well, you have to check out my channel if you see that video they do.
Yeah, go check out the channel.
The journey. I'm going to leave the link in the description too.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a dreadlocks wash today at the river.
Yeah.
And update and stuff, you know.
So those of you who have locks, or I think about locks like we, tune in, man. Tune in. We have the ear care tips, ear growth tips, everything. Because me well in them something there. Me help him growing ear in Natty then so pretty and thick.
Yeah, almost 3 years. Next month. No, August I make 3 years.
Yeah, and look how the ear long already. And at the front, the back actually longer. Look how you catch him in the back. Yeah. So, me and do my ear out from when? My big chop, November 2020. November 2020. And me decide to like May 2022. No, what year we now? Right it.
2022 now.
Yeah, sorry. I decided to lock up May 2021. So I'm a big chop with like an inch, not even, less than an inch of ear from my head. November 2020. Then 5 months later I decided to lock. So This is where we are right now, out of June 2022. Pretty impressive. So stay tuned. How the food are going?
They're going good, man.
People I want to tell you say we record a video already. We record a video already. We Jesus, I have to go bleep that out. But we do a video. Egg well nice one. I'm sorry, freaking rest I didn't cook it. But we do a nice video with cook down cotton burrow and starfish and dumpling and cassava for up on the farm, and why people the footage get corrupt. Some people just don't want to see us strive, you know?
Spiritual warfare, you know?
Spiritual warfare going on in Jamaica, and you know about that or something like Obiang or something, that a real thing, people, a real thing. People have money, just like people, upside people in America have money to go to store, to go shop and them something. There people in Jamaica they have money to go Obiang
money.
just because them bad mind against you. Just because they don't like you and then say you're good and you have go places, they want to hold you down and slow you down. But when I slow down, you know, people, a day after I say me get up with a vibe for me, I say I never even want to do one next video, but the river just give me a vibe and I just wash off all the crosses off of me. I'm glad to say I do it now. So now I'm going to see this video. So we are done finish up the egg and thing and whatever vibe. Just going to show you the clothes and we'll have pin out.
Yeah.
And give you a little clips. Add up time. Soon come back. Still soon. We're going to finish this up.
We're going to do the video. Sorry, we're going to do the video again with the fat and barrow.
Yeah.
And the saltfish. Share now or yourself, man.
We're going to do it nice at this time too. Maybe we can do it in a coconut milk.
Ah, yeah, even better. Different
Coconut
style,
curry, fat and barrow.
More
Make it
interesting.
nicer. Yeah. So people stay tuned for that one next. But we soon come back. So stay tuned.